Roll. Speed. Action.
Hey Ghana, funding the Abena Ghana.
And I'm Deme.
And I'm Venice Olutas, known as Miss Cowboy.
And 24th year, hey, Busimi and Walker say answer. Brasilva best cinemas, Mati, Akramanasa West Hills more. Yang Gianni, yes, movie video, ultimate betrayal, and Nia. What if you want to be pay what you know him? This is probably moving beyond to your hopeful. The just a young rabble with some here and echo. Apparently, be here to Ghana for Markman. Maybe a friend Bella somewhere. Bishop Nako. Why, Bridget is a nipple of the double and stars in here ever. But I wake up at your very rapping competition. You bet Charlie, Billy Safi hair. You premier giant Charlie. Ultimate betrayal at Chatty. Once Rob Branny and Gianni, what you show.
Nicho ultimate movie ne boy. Nyani banwa enjoy ya. Many actors Baba Deme, Waton Mac Brown, Double Darling Bill. Why fanya banwa chon ni bin what chonyake, why no ko femo yo kumase. Nya banwa what chichat what fe no fano we ojuba.
June, July, upesa uhwe niswade. Now who's musine. Nyokria pimni na misi.
Yes,
come on, Ty, you know. Come on, Ty. You see a beautiful guy like Double, ultimate betrayer, guy betrayed 2 guests.
Serious.
It's untouchable.
Serious.
Now, let me say,
yes,
can you know
my guests are coming. You
You don't want to miss this.
This is your boy Bill Asamoah. Here I am with my ladies and my gentlemen here. On the 24th of June, it is Silver Bets, yeah?
Ultimate
betrayal.
Come watch it.
We love you.
Come on with the ladies.
Tickets are selling at a cool 30 cities at Silver Bed Cinema. Accra Mall.